Civil litigation is the process of resolving disputes between individuals, businesses, organisations or other entities. If you want to file a lawsuit against someone in Thailand and seek compensation for a breach of contract or otherwise pursue a legal action without levelling criminal charges, civil litigation is your course of action. Hi, I'm David, a legal consultant from Siam Legal, and today we'll explore the essential facts that foreigners should know about civil litigation in Thailand. A civil case in Thailand typically involves two parties. The first is the plaintiff, who is the party bringing the claim. The second is the defendant, who is the party being sued. The plaintiff seeks compensation or another remedy, such as forcing the defendant to stop doing something, also known as an injunction, or making them perform a specific task, also known as performance of contract. The defendant may accept the claim, dispute its value, or defend the claim. They may even bring a counterclaim and start a new lawsuit against the plaintiff. Unlike with criminal law, which deals with offences against the public, civil cases involve private rights and obligations, which usually involve a contract of some kind. These cases can cover a wide range of issues, including property and commercial disputes, personal injury claims, employment issues including wrongful termination, discrimination or other breaches of employment contracts, family matters such as divorce and custody of children, torts involving wrongful acts that cause harm or loss, and debt recovery matters. If you're thinking about bringing a civil claim against another party, or you find yourself defending against one, you need to understand the legal framework of Thai civil court cases to have the best chance of succeeding. Here's a step-by-step overview of the civil litigation process in Thailand. Step 1. Pre-action notice. The plaintiff must send to the defendant a formal notice of their intention to bring a claim. This is also known as a letter before action or a letter before claim. This should include the allegations and the remedies sought by the plaintiff, such as compensation, specific performance or an injunction. It should also include the period of time in which the defendant can resolve the matter. Step 2. Filing a complaint. If the parties are unable to reach an agreement, the plaintiff, through their lawyer, will file a complaint with the court, along with a statement outlining the full facts of the case and what the plaintiff wants to happen. The plaintiff will then pay the relevant court fee, and an officer will serve both the summons and the plaintiff's statement on the defendant so that they are made aware of the complaint. Step 3. Defendant's response. The defendant will have the opportunity to file their own statement in response, either admitting or denying each of the plaintiff's allegations, in part or in full. This must be filed within 15 days of receiving the court summons. Step 4. Preliminary hearing. The parties must then prepare their evidence and provide details of any witnesses at an initial hearing. Here, the court's aim will be to identify the issues which are in dispute and which must be proven at trial. The court may also send the parties away for mediation, should either party file a motion to settle the matter, or the court believes that a settlement can be reached. Step 5. Trial. If no settlement is reached, the case will proceed to trial, where both parties will present their arguments and evidence to the court. The parties will then have the opportunity to cross-examine each other and any experts or witnesses. Here, the burden of proof is on the plaintiff to prove their claim or claims, and the standard of proof required is on the balance of probabilities, meaning that the court is more sure than not that the plaintiff has proven their claim. Judgments and appeals. The court will then issue a judgment based on the evidence, and the parties will have 30 days to lodge an appeal by submitting a petition to the court that issued the judgment. Like in most jurisdictions, civil court cases in Thailand are complex affairs. They come with various challenges that you must consider when deciding whether to go through with a civil action. These challenges include complex legal procedures. Navigating the legal system requires a thorough understanding of law, rules and procedures. So even if you are a lawyer back in your home country, you'll need a local Thai lawyer to assist you. High costs. Legal fees, court costs and other related expenses such as expert reports and travel can make civil litigation financially challenging. In some cases, the costs involved may even exceed the amount you claimed. Time consuming. Civil court cases in Thailand can be extremely lengthy due to court schedules, the duties and powers of the court at first instance, the nature of your case, and the complex processes of gathering and presenting evidence. Again, the time you lose may not be worth the compensation. Language barrier. Court proceedings are conducted in Thai only. It is therefore essential that you retain the services of a bilingual lawyer to handle your case. Documents in foreign languages must also be translated into Thai prior to the court date. so your lawyer should have translation services at the ready to assist you. Civil court cases in Thailand cover a wide range of legal disputes. Understanding the processes and challenges involved is key to enforcing or protecting your rights. Whether you're dealing with a private issue, a commercial dispute, a contested will, or any other legal matter, being in the know can make all the difference. If you have any questions about civil court cases in Thailand, or you require an expert representation in a civil case you are involved in, Siam Legal stands ready to help you achieve the best outcome. We'll utilise our 20 years of experience in Thailand's legal system and our deep knowledge of Thai law to ensure a swift and favourable outcome for your case. To schedule a consultation, check out the links in the description. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest legal insights in Thailand. Thank you for watching and see you next time.